Father, sinabi na nga po, confidential funds it's confidential. Why do you think the public should know about confidential funds where in fact it's confidential?
Confidential funds is also public funds. When there is when there is the slightest feeling and sabihin nating pagdududa na ito ay ginamit sa maling pamamaraan, then the confidence by nature is preceded by accountability. Hindi dapat magtago ang isang taong gumamit ng confidential funds sa confidential nature. Accountability takes precedence before that confidential fund.
Pero pa, sir, kasi baka yung confidential funds ito will concern national security. Paano kung ma-divulge yung mga sinasabing code names? Hindi po ba dapat ang national security will be first and foremost before yung accountability?
Tama. At ito yung dapat nilang ipaliwanag sa tamang plataforma. Ang problema, hindi naman nila pinaliwanag na maayos eh. Very evasive sila to begin with. And COA itself has already determined that there were misuse and there was a manner of the confidential funds not brought to its proper use.
Father, ano po ba yung malinaw na nailista nyo po doon na mga nagawa po ni Vice President Sara at ng DepEd at ng OVP?
To begin with, meron tayong nakitang 612.5 na pera na withdraw, na ginamit, ngunit hindi maipaliwanag. Yun ang isa sa nais natin hanapin, harapin at mapakinggan kung ano nangyari dito.
Saan po kayo ka-confident na uusad to under Ombudsman Boy Remulla?
With the prayer, with the facts that we have presented and have assigned our signatures, we pray that this will be heeded and uusad ang kaso upang mapanagot kung dapat may panagutin. Kung walang tinatago si Sara Duterte, humarap siya.
Pero Sir Father, kasi of course, sasabihin ng mga supporters ni Vice President Sara Duterte, it's just a political ploy. I mean, lahat kayo galit kay Sara Duterte, you want her out of Vice Presidency. Ano masasabi po?
Galit po tayo sa nanggagamit, galit po tayo sa kasinungalingan, galit tayo sa nagbabaluktot ng katotohanan. Walang politika dito. Bilang pari at simbahan, the truth has always been enshrined in the gospel, and that is why I'm here.
Pero